What's up, everybody? I'm back with another Two Deals video, and today we got merch. I'm almost done. Monday, y'all. Monday, the merch will be ready. Okay, the t-shirts are ready. The hoodies are ready. I gotta do long sleeve shirts and some hats, and then we'll be ready. But you can come and buy these right now. I just don't want you to, again, because I want to offer you guys more than just merch. I want to do raffles, and I want to do some good stuff too for people that support me. I want to, do something to support you guys too, and give you guys free tools, like good ones, like Milwaukee Fuel angle grinders and stuff like that. I'm working on a budget, so we're gonna probably start with stuff I already have. They'll be brand new though. Anyway, I have a bunch of deals for y'all that mostly come from Tractor Supply. I got 8 good deals. Just look at that. Look at those good deals. Anyway, let's get into it. I didn't pull them up in tabs because you can only see the real price in the cart. So first up, we have this DeWALT 20 volt reciprocating bare tool here. We have DCS 382B. I mentioned this before for $59.99. No, I mentioned it before for $99.99 a few days ago. And it's an XR, but it's a compact. Many people say this thing vibrates a lot. It's going to depend on what you are using it for, but it does have a 1 1/8 inch stroke. You can look at the specs some more on it, but it's a good tool for its size. Just be mindful, as some people said, it's very vibrating depending on the material. Probably would. However, it's no longer $99. It's $59.99. All right, so what you guys want to do? It's going to be the case with all these, okay? You got to stay tuned. I'm blurring them through. All right, let me stop wasting your time. You want to buy this online and pick up in store. That way, it secures your spot. What you do is go to change store, because when you go to the listing, it's probably going to look like this for most of you. When we go, it's going to show that it's nothing available, right? So you got to click change store, and then you put in a zip code that's close to you. And then once you do that, it's going to show you stores. Oh man, maybe not. It should show you some stores, I don't know, that have some near you. And then bam, pick up here in Hesperia, California. You pick it up, and then it's going to take you to the cart. Let's go back to the cart. And then what you want to do is buy it for pickup, available today, blah, blah. It's going to buy it for pickup in store. And then it secures your spot so you don't drive out there for no reason, because they may not have it. Plus, you get Rakuten, right? You get Rakuten, you get 2% cash back. And if you're new to Rakuten, use the link in the description below to sign up. You get a bonus $30 cash back. And there you have that. Okay, look, and so I just checked. I said, I wonder if Extra Bucks has Tractor Supply. They do 3% cash back. So if you've already used your Rakuten and gotten your bonus, sign up for Extra Bucks. Use the link in the description to do that. You want to get 3% cash back, plus you'll get $20 for signing up. So there you go. So Extra Bucks or Rakuten. Do Rakuten first if you're new, because you're going to get that $30 bonus. But if you already did that, then do Extra Bucks and get that $20 bonus. So let's move on. I'm dragging this out way too much. My bad. So we have this 3-piece pipe wrench set. I know, don't let the picture deceive you. These aren't huge. I can't remember the size. You see them in a link, but they're not like real big. But that's kind of the beauty of them. This larger one is more so like, I don't know, maybe like 12 inches. But then you have these smaller ones, and I appreciate these smaller ones, because sometimes, these big pipe wrenches, just you can't fit them in a spot. $5.49 there. This Makita right angle impact wrench, I showed you guys this before. It's on sale for $109. This is half off. Then I just freaking bought this Sunday for $249, which was a steal. Now this I'm going to highlight, this Makita kit, because I don't think you're noticing what's really in this kit. It's $159, which is just, I'm sorry to use this word, but it's retarded. It really is. First of all, this impact wrench right here, I have it behind me. Matter of fact, I have it behind me, and it alone is like $2 something. This is the compact impact wrench king of the hill that produces 430 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque. Oh, I should make that a shirt. Oh my God, that's a shirt. And then 240 foot-pounds of fastening, right? With all your modes and everything. That's worth 159 right there. Get a 3 amp hour battery, a hard case, a charger, this flashlight. Then you get the grease gun. You get the grease gun. The box is humongous too, y'all. When you see it, you're like, what the heck is this? Humongous box, but it's 159. 159. Then you have, real quick, I'm right here. So I just thought of something else. So what you really want to do, if you want to get more than one thing, first use Rakuten and do $30 if you new, and then get your $30 bonus, boom. Then come over and then do extra bucks. So you can double dip, all right? Just break them up into 2 different orders. So moving on, we have this hammer drill. Now look, your mileage may vary, but when I got my drill, it was the XPH 14Z, not the 07Z. So, and it was $64.99. Either way, they both real good at that price. But for me, I ended up with the XPH 14Z, which is the upgrade to this bad boy right here. A little more power, more compact. Moving on, we have the Bosch 5-in-1. Now, what are you thinking? Now I'm wishing I kept that bad boy, because for $44.99, I don't care what you say. I don't care that it's not brushless. Hey, the $64.99 was a great deal. This $44.99 right here, what was it, $79? That was a good deal. This is incredible right here. And unfortunately, nobody has them in my area. They have them in Lothian, Maryland. I'm tempted to call somebody and be like, hey, go pick that up for me. But why? It's not that deep. But yeah, $44.99 now for this. Moving on, remember that Bosch hammer drill kit? Well, it's $29.99 now. And I held this thing in my hand, I don't know, maybe 2 weeks ago, and I was like, 49, yeah, it can stay here. I have plenty of hammer drills. But for $29.99, I'll take that just for the bag, the battery, and the charger alone. And this is a legit hammer drill. It's not the big boy or anything like that. It's their lower end hammer drill, because then they have another mid-grade one that really brings some beans. Then they have the top of the line one that gives you a little light with the angle and all that, has the handle. But man, $29.99, I don't need to tell y'all that's a deal. And the very first deal I told y'all, kick the year off, this 3-tool combo kit, it was $64.99, I think, with, let me go ahead and open this up so you can see it. Woo! We kicking a weekend off. Nice. All right. It has a drill, a little reciprocating saw, a one-handed reciprocating saw, a flashlight, 2 2 amp hour batteries, a charger, and a bag. All for, how much was it? I don't even remember now. 41. I need to take mine back. I need to take mine back if I can. I think it's been 30 days. But I want to take mine back and see if I can get a price adjustment, because $41.99 is crazy. Now, I do want to tell you guys something about this kit. This drill is a basic drill, okay? It's a little drill. This reciprocating saw is interesting because it's quite smooth. The stroke on it is basically nothing, but it's quite smooth. It's not really vibrating. I used this side by side with my Metabo HPT 18 volt, and this worked better. It was a better experience with this little thing. So, and then I've been using this light a lot too for sink repairs and faucet repairs and stuff like that, replacing faucets and stuff like that. So I do like this little light. It's really nice. It also has a little hook that you can hang, but I just like it because I can lay it down and it shines the light in the whole cavity in the cabinet. So that is that. We're not done. I have something over at Direct Tools. Direct Tools having a President's Day sale. Shop now. And 25% off plus free shipping. So I brought up a couple of things. It was just three deals that I like. This Ryobi mower. I have the older model. Mine's been truck, and I think I might pay $250 for it. Wait. Is this 2 only? No, this doesn't come with a battery. I would wait maybe to get one with a battery, because I got mine for like $2 something with a battery. But I will say this: the tool only is $379 at Home Depot, and this is an upgrade from the one that I have. It's basically kind of the same. I have a 3-in-1, but it's just many years old, and this is probably better. I do like this tinted shield because it's going to keep the batteries cooler. It's going to reflect the sun a lot more, and the thing just looks cooler. Mine is bright green, and I love this gray and black look with the green accents. Good job, Ryobi. Good job. You should make all your tools look like this. That'd be wonderful. More people will like them. So anyway, that's that $277. That's a good deal. Free shipping. Moving on. Project Farm did a video on the right angle drills, and I like the Ryobi did really well. I prefer the rigid for the lifetime service agreement, but the Ryobi did really, really well, and it's $82.49. But you can get it on the Buy More Save More at Home Depot. The thing is, the best you can get off is like 30%. You gotta jump through a lot of hoops. You gotta return stuff and do all that extra stuff. And granted, I would get a little commission if you bought it from here. Do what's best for you, man. Just pay the $82.49 because it's going to break down once you take 30% off $119. That makes it $83, and it's $82.49 here. You might as well just do this, and you don't have to worry about jumping through all the hoops. It is going to cost you some shipping, though, if you're not at least at $99. So try to buy something else. If you're just getting this, then maybe go ahead and jump through the hoops. It's going to be $15 cheaper, obviously. But, if you're getting something else, go ahead and just get it from Direct Tools. Good deal there. And last but not least, I think I might pull the trigger. I've been wanting a good battery-operated vacuum, and it makes sense to go with one like this or Milwaukee or DeWALT or something like that, Makita. But none of those really do carpet. They're not made for doing the house. This is made for doing the house. This is a pet vacuum, dual roller vacuum, and we can just easily get batteries for it. $217.49. This thing is normally $299 at Home Depot, and I'm thinking about pulling the trigger on this. One thing that you got to keep in mind about these stick vacuums, you need to mount them to the wall to stand them up, but not this one. This one actually stands up on its own. And you can get a single roller from Home Depot for $249, but the double roller is going to be better, and the reviews are excellent. You can go read this thing, and this comes with a high output 4-amp-hour battery, this whole kit with the charger, 4-amp-hour battery. And yeah, this thing, the vacuum. So I'm thinking I might pull the trigger on that one, and that is it for today's video. Hopefully it was helpful. Merch and raffles rolling out Monday. I'm gonna run a poll in the group. I want to see if you guys would like the raffles. Man, I would love to be able to give away pickup trucks at some point. Wouldn't that be incredible? That'd be incredible, but I don't make that much yet. So I need y'all to subscribe, comment, share the videos, turn on that notification bell, and I will see you guys next time.